Guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we're gonna do a day in my life. Yeah, so you guys are just gonna spend the day with me and Bupe. I got up, I had a shower. Bupe is still currently sleeping, and yeah, so I'm just gonna try and pick up the house. I'm still tired. Also, sorry that I didn't post last week. Yeah, Bupe was not well at all. He's doing much better, so yeah, hopefully everything it will run smoothly this week. So today is currently Monday. So yeah, um, I'll pick up the camera if I'm doing anything else. But right now I'm just seated, just try and gather my thoughts. But yeah, keep watching. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel.
When I'm lonely in the dark, I know you are with me. Yeah. Don't you see that I need you so much? Don't you see that I love you so much? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love. Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na, darling, I need your love.
Alrighty, finished cleaning up. Let me mute this. Yeah, so I finished cleaning up and just seated here, and Bupe is playing. You can watch him play a little. Are you looking at Mama? You're like, what's happening? It's around 10 o'clock. Bupe had to sleep in because he got up at 6 o'clock, gave him a bottle, then he went back to sleep. And then, yeah, all up with all the energy. And he seems better today. Just a small cough and the running nose, was much better. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. Go, Bupe. Go, Bupe. You say you done? Go, Bupe. Go, Bupe. Dance. Big boy. Careful. So yeah, so Bupe is just gonna play, and I'm gonna just sit here and watch him play and eat something actually. Anyway, we'll pick up the camera when we're doing something else. Bless you. Careful, please. Get down. Get down. Get down. Whoop it. Look what I have. Come and get it. Come and get it. Come on. While Bupe is taking a nap, I'll watch some Netflix. I'll probably fall asleep as well. Just take a small nap. I just feel tired. What are you guys watching on Netflix? Comment down below, let me know. Yeah. Anyway, see you soon. Alrighty. So I'm gonna be cooking dinner. I'm just gonna be doing a roast chicken, some rice. Yeah. So I marinated this last night. So don't grab it. Don't grab it. Yeah, I marinated this last night and I put it in the fridge. And yeah, so I'll put a short clip of how I did it right now. Gravity. Gravity. So yeah, I'm preheating my oven at the moment. So I'm gonna bake the chicken for about like 45 minutes to an hour. I'll put some oil, a little bit of oil on the bottom of the pan. I'm just using vegetable oil. Then I'm gonna get the chicken and place it in the pan. What I use is butter. So this is the garlic butter. I'll just put it underneath the skin. I'll just put it underneath the skin. I need to clean it up. Look. Okay. Here's your biscuit. So you just make little pockets in the skin of the breast, especially because you know how the breast dries out. Just pop the butter in there. Pop some butter inside the chicken. And a blob on top. Just dry my hands with some paper. How much paper towel do you guys use in your kitchen? I swear this, I opened this yesterday. And it's already halfway gone. We are done with that. We put it back in the fridge. This is how our chicken is looking. I don't know if you can see that. And then what I'm gonna do is I'll place another piece of foil on top, only because the marinade that they use, so I did, you see like the blend of onion and stuff, that's gonna burn easily and the chicken will be cooked inside. So I'll just put the foil in there and let the chicken cook for about 30 minutes in the foil, and that will ensure it's cooked inside. And then I'll take the foil off and then I'll finish cooking it. And then we have more of the mixture of the pepper and the onion and stuff. So I'm going to use this for the sauce, the gravy I'm going to put on top of the rice. So I'll save that. I'm not going to throw it away. We'll let it cook for 30 minutes and then we'll come on back and check. Bupe, come here. it's missing a leg only because that's Bupe's leg. I need to cook it separately because that's really spicy. Alrighty, I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna let the back cook first and then I'll flip it over for the top part later. I'm also frying some plantain on the side, and that's how the sauce is looking. Yeah, it's almost time to serve. Expectation versus reality. Don't know how much of it. How's the water? He just finished eating his dinner, so he's having some water. Slowly, please. Slowly. Slowly.